Hi there, it's Christine Faulkner with Cava and Faulkner, Elk Grove, and Sacramento's Trust and Estate Planning Attorney. And thank you for following us on another edition of Christine's Family Wealth Secret. So, have you seen the Netflix series, The Tiger King? Our article today is about the murder and intrigue associated with the characters in the Netflix series. And I know everybody thinks that she did it. So our article today is about the importance of having an up-to-date plan and how what happened in that series could have partially been avoided. And so today I'm going to talk about a couple of things that people may not think about when they do their own planning. So when you do your own planning, many times I have so many stories I could tell about why it can be disastrous. Number one, nobody knows that you've done it. And so nobody knows if you have multiple copies of different documents. They don't know which one is the latest, most recent. And not knowing what you have put in your estate planning documents can lead to a lot of miscommunication, misunderstanding, and one family member may believe that you have an updated document leaving certain things to them, whereas the will or the copies of the documents that are found don't actually say that. So it can really have a disastrous outcome. And I think that's one of the things in the series was there were supposedly other documents that were created but couldn't be found, and there was a lot of suspicion surrounding that. So do-it-yourself planning can be really problematic in a lot of ways. Number one, if you don't know what you're doing, it can really cause confusion, can lead to an outcome that you may not want or expect. It can have really disastrous outcomes in terms of conflict for your family. When you work with an estate planning attorney, they usually keep copies of all of the documents in their files as well. So you'll never deal with a situation where a document has disappeared or was lost. If it's clear to the entire family that you've worked with a particular attorney, you know for sure that you can go to that attorney and they're going to have copies of the actual document. So check out our article today. It's pretty interesting about why some of the outcomes and conflict that was created in the Tiger King situation could have been avoided by working with an estate planning attorney who was well versed in the issues at hand, of course, but also who could have definitely produced documentation of the most recent planning that was made. So just a little fun tidbit about the series. Check out our article, and we've just put a new subscribe button, and so you may have received this via email. If so, go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, follow us, check out our content. We're putting out new content every day about new and interesting topics. Take care. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.